Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're diving into Airtable for the first time or just need a quick refresh on how to add a row in 2025, you're in the perfect spot. Airtable is an amazing tool that combines the simplicity of spreadsheets with the power of databases, making it ideal for organizing projects, teams, or even personal tasks. Today, we'll walk you through the process step by step, so you can get up and running in no time. First, make sure you're logged into your Airtable account. If you don't have one yet, just head over to airtable.com and sign up. It's free and straightforward. Once you're in, navigate to the base where you want to add your row. A base is essentially your main workspace, like a file or project folder. Next, open the specific table within that base. Tables are where all your data is stored, similar to sheets in Excel or Google Sheets. Now, to add a new row, look for the plus button. It's usually at the top or bottom of the table. Give it a click, and a new record form will appear on your screen. This form is where the magic happens. You'll see fields for entering your data, like text, numbers, dates, or even attachments. Take a moment to fill in the necessary information accurately. Airtable's interface is intuitive, so it's pretty user-friendly. After you've entered your details, hit the Save or Create button to add the row. And just like that, your new row is in place. For a pro tip, if you're looking to work faster, try using keyboard shortcuts, like Command+Enter on Mac or Control+Enter on Windows to quickly add records. One more thing. Always double-check your entries to avoid errors, especially in collaborative projects. That's it for this tutorial. Airtable is a game changer for productivity, and mastering basics like this will save you tons of time. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below with your questions or suggestions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.